Hey there, folks. If you've ever needed to move money from your Bank of America account to another bank, you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through the entire process step by step, so you can do it quickly and confidently. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Bank of America online banking account. Head over to the Bank of America website or open their mobile app, and enter your username and password. Once you're in, make sure you're on the dashboard. Next, look for the Transfers tab, usually found in the main menu. Click on that, and you'll see options for internal and external transfers. Since we're sending money to another bank, select External Transfer, or something similar. It might say, Transfer to another bank. Now, if this is your first time transferring to this specific bank, you'll need to add the recipient's details. Enter the recipient's name, their bank's routing number, and their account number. Double-check these to avoid any mistakes, as errors can delay or cancel the transfer. Once the recipient is set up, specify the amount you want to transfer. You'll also see fields for the transfer date. Choose Immediate if you need it right away, or schedule it for later. Keep in mind that there might be daily limits or small fees, so check those in advance. After filling everything out, hit Review to go over the details one more time. This is crucial to ensure accuracy. If everything looks good, confirm the transfer with your security PIN or whatever verification method Bank of America uses. And just like that, your money is on its way. Transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days, depending on the banks involved. Remember, always monitor your account for confirmation and keep an eye out for any fraud. There you have it, a simple guide to transferring money from Bank of America. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more financial tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay smart with your money, and I'll see you next time.